Han nga bara-bara iti immigration law dito'y Canada, guys. And
Yeah,
yes, it's
isot ko
true.
nga na.
Maybe it's cheaper itong mga ghost consultant or unlicensed people. The problem is that once nga natiliw ka iti immigration system nga gamgamit ka iti tattao or iti representative nga awan iti lisensyana, it can actually ban you for 5 years. Hindi kita tinatakot, but nakikita ko ang daming napapauwi because they lied on their application. Ang taong pwede lang mag-represent sa immigration, LMIA, or ESDC to get that for a fee is mga lisensyado, immigration consultant, or immigration lawyer. Dapat ang mga espesyalista ng immigration law sa Canada ang i-hire mo this time. The reason is this is your future. You don't take it lightly.
Yeah. Yun ang-advise sa akin. So ikaw, kung makikinig ka o hindi. Matagal na kitang ina-advisean ko, ma'am. Lagi niya akong iniindian. Hindi niya pinakikinggan yung mga sinasabi ko. Yan, tuloy. Ganitong nangyayari. Ayaw ko nung ganitong rush-rush. Tagargar amin, saksaka.
Anya di papilmon, anya di papilmon. PR ka no Canadian.
PR, ma'am. Anak mo ro citizen nun anak mo to.
Well, you know what, guys, remember this. We are all immigrants here in Canada, and napakadaming immigrants sa Canada. Now, what I can say is that if you are an immigrant like me and you, we have to go through the process, and that's exactly what your sister is doing. For resident permit. The word itself is temporary. Ibig sabihin, temporary ka lang, hindi forever yan. But once na naging permanent ka, permanent resident, the word itself again, permanent, is permanent ka na dito sa Canada hanggang sa maka-apply ka ng citizen. However, may mga rules pa rin na kailangan nating i-follow at i-maintain. And that's exactly as a temporary resident permit holder, we need to maintain our status. The thing I can guarantee you guys is that I have the highest respect to each and every one of you. Hindi ako nambabastos. At the same time, I expect you to actually respect me as well. So, it's both parties. Okay? Immigration is bound to change every single time. So, kung ano man yung sinabi ngayon ng mga leaders or sa federal government, hindi yan forever. It will change again. Immigration keeps on changing. However, because it keep on changing, that's exactly what you have to do. You have to be aware kung ano man yung mga changes na yon, hindi mo pwedeng ipagwalang bahala. At kung may mga kailangan na naaayon para sa'yo for permanent residency eventually, then definitely you go through with that. Now, our concern is your status para ma-approvean ka ng extension. Pero hindi lang yun eh. Step by step, maraming process ito. You need to apply for work permit extension. Pangalawa is, of course, kailangan i-monitor yung LMI approval. We need that LMI approval bago lumabas yung result ng LMI application para tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin mag-work. And ang pangatlo is you need to get your English exam. I know it's expensive. I know mahirap ipasa, but you have no other choice but to get an English exam na pasado. This is your future, adding, okay? Make sure when you do all this immigration process, immigration rule is very complex. It changes a lot. You need a licensee. Okay? Hindi dapat nga pabara-bara, DJ mangigyan iti papelyo. Okay, that's what I can say. Now, whatever money you spend in hiring or retaining a licensee, believe me, you will mababawi mo rin yan eventually.